is IoT mining tracking and worker safety helmet. The main objective of this project is that to monitor the conditions in mining area and which helps the safety of ensure the safety of workers. For that safety, we require one smoke sensor, one gas sensor, and temperature and humidity sensor. For these things will upload to IoT also. Components used in this project are Arduino Nano, power supply board, GSM, MQ2 gas sensor, and MQ6 smoke sensor, DHT11 humidity sensor. This is buzzer and a 12-volt adapter. This is Arduino Nano board, which is the microcontroller we are using here. All the code are uploaded to this microcontroller only. This microcontroller ensures the operation of all the project, and it have a 20 IO pins in total, out of which 14 are digital and 6 are analog pins, and it have a serial communication pins also. Operating voltage is a 5 to 20 voltages, and this is a DHT11 known as a humidity sensor. It monitors the temperature and humidity of the surface, and it has 3 pins, VCC, ground and data. VCC is 5 voltage, and one LED will glow when it is turned on. This is a smoke sensor which detects the smoke like LPG, butane, etc., which detects unusual gas smokes present in the environment. And this is a gas sensor, helps to detect the gas. And this is buzzer for making alert. If any temperature, any value is beyond a limit means or threshold means it will make sound. For that we will get an alert. This is GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. It helps to communicate with this board and the mobile, so that we can get an alert using an SMS. It also have additional features like calling, sending message, receiving message, etc. For this we need a 12-volt adapter. From here it have 3 pins, ground, transmitter and receiver. And this is power supply board, which gives the power to the whole system. Input is taken from this 12-volt adapter, and here we are using 7805 regulator, so we will get output as a 5 voltage only. And this is 12-volt adapter for giving the power supply for the whole system. Now the working is like that. When we connect this adapter here, all the components will get the power, and if any range is beyond the threshold, means the gas detector or smoke detector or temperature greater than 35, etc., this buzzer will make sound and also will get a message alert, and all the values are uploaded to ThinkSpeak also. Now the smoke is detected, so one LED will glow, so we'll get message. Just now I got message like mining emergency gas detected 1, gas value is 1. Then it will detect, and the temperature value now updated to 26, and humidity is 82, and it is sending message. Now I will make detect gas smoke. For that I given thinner, so it is detecting, make sound, so we'll get message now. Okay, that is smoke value is 1. Humidity, gas not detected, and temperature and humidity. Then now we will change the value of temperature. For that I am making a hot iron rod beside it. You can blow or rub that one. Okay, now temperature value is 33, so we'll get a message alert like a mining temperature value increased. Now we are like this, we are sending message. All the details are uploaded like this. All the details are uploaded to ThinkSpeak also. There are 4 fields. One field, first field indicates temperature, second humidity, third smoke and gas value. Just now we uploaded values like this. If we click on this red dot means red dot means you can give the value like temperature, then which date we uploaded. Here I recently uploaded the today's values and all the gas sensor value also. Gas sensor is 0 means detected, 1 means not detected. Humidity, all the values are uploaded.